Hey everybody, Michael with Digital Marketing with Michael here again today in Winchester with John from ORI Railings. John, good morning.
Good morning, Michael. Good to see you again.
Nice seeing you again. John, do me a favor. Give these people the story behind ORI Railings.
Absolutely, we can do that. So ORI stands for Off-Road Innovations. We are actually a four-wheel drive shop also. Many people say, gee, that's a weird combination. We purchased in 2016 a welding shop here, a local welding shop in Winchester. We wanted a piece of equipment for four-wheel drives they had. They also offered custom handrails. Once we got our piece of equipment set up and running, we decided to advertise for handrails and see was there a market out there, and found that absolutely there is a need for them. So weird combination, but you need good welders for four-wheel drive work and for custom handrails, and that's how we got into it.
That makes sense. And the biggest word that I heard you say during that, John, was the fact that this is custom.
This is all custom. So no panelized rails here. Everything is welded in our shop. Everything is powder coated. Everything is installed by our team. So we do the job from start to finish.
So if they have an issue, they can call you
They're
guys
going to
directly.
call. They need to call me. Yes, sir.
And you don't sub any of this out.
No, we don't. We handle the process from start to finish.
What type of railings do you guys generally do? Can you just discuss a couple of them?
So we've got a few here. We've got what we call our standard railing here, Michael. And that's a standard handrail. We've got cable rail. We've got horizontal rails. But again, anything that the customer can find online, we can build for them.
Nice, nice. And you're residential, commercial, and industrial.
Absolutely.
So you're doing the big ADA handrails that you see at the, all the shopping centers and industrial places,
we
right?
are, yes, sir.
Wow, that's awesome. So, John, where do you do this at? I know you're in Winchester.
Yeah, I appreciate you, Michael. So we are right off Route 7, just east of I-81. And we travel for, most jobs about a 1 hour radius from our shop. So we're getting down into the Northern Virginia area. We're covering up into Martinsburg, Inwood, going south, about an hour radius from the shop. But again, if you tell me that you've just gotten a contract to redo, a huge mansion for somebody, come see me and we may be able to work with you.
Good, John.
Yeah.
And then, John, I want to throw you on the spot. You didn't know I was going to ask you this, but what sets you apart? What sets ORI apart from all the other companies?
So I like to think that it's our customer service, number one. And also to go back to, these rails are not manufactured. They are fabricated railings in our shop. Our first step after, say, you would come in or call us and say, hey, I need a railing. Other than that first initial conversation, our next step is to come out and see you and measure and go over your project, give you suggestions. So everything is custom, is a piece that's going to last a long time. And regardless of how fancy the rails may become, first and foremost, they're a safety rail.
Exactly.
Yep.
Well, John, I appreciate the fact that you had me in today to talk, but for the customers, I appreciate the fact that you're there from the start to the finish and beyond. You're the face that people see and can talk to, get recommendations, and take their designs and make it happen for them.
Thank you, Michael, for coming in and talking with me today. I appreciate you.
Not a problem, John. Hey, John, do me a favor. Give these guys the telephone number again.
You bet. You can reach us at 540-665-0123. And again, you can come see us at 156 Cole Lane in Winchester.
Great, John. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Michael. I appreciate you.
All right, everybody. Talk to you soon.